Hi folks, in today's video I'll show to you how to use your computer or your laptop without your mouse. Okay, this is pretty simple, so let's go ahead. The first thing you have to keep in your mind is there are some keys very important. For example, this key here, CES, the first key on your keyboard, Tab, Shift, Control, Windows, Alt, okay, sometimes Alt GR. But this key here, I don't know its name. These are the control and obviously the arrow keys, right? The down arrow, left, right, and up. Okay, let's see. Let's say that you want to go to Windows menu. It's very easy. Just press Windows key, right? And to close it, press it again. Okay, now let's say that you want to go to your File Explorer. You're gonna press Windows plus E like this. Now let's say that you wanna go to these options on the left side. Want to navigate here. In order to navigate to these options here, you just have to press Tab, right? Press Tab and press again. You can see, please keep an eye on what Windows will select. In my case, after I press Tab, this option were selected, right? If I continue pressing it, check it. I will select the other options, okay? And now I'm here. And I just have to press on down arrow. And now I can move to the other options, okay? Down, down, okay? And I can go up again. If you want to select the option downloads, for example, just press enter, okay? And if you want to go to the options here, click on some folder, some picture. Now you have to press tab again, okay? And just have to press on the right arrow, as you can see here, right? And if you want to go back to the options on the left side, press shift and tab, right? And then you can navigate again, as you can see here, through the options. Okay, sometimes guys, uh, let me just close a little bit and open it again. Sometimes you just have to press tab, and just by pressing down arrow you can move down the list, but sometimes you have to keep pressing tab until you can be able to go to these other options here, as you can see. Okay, if I open it again, look at, you can also go to the options, these shortcuts, by pressing the arrow keys, as you can see here. Okay, and to close the window, press Alt and F4, right? Now let's see, you want to navigate between the options, the folders or the icons here on desktop. It's also pretty simple, but you have to practice a little bit, right? Sometimes you just have to press the down arrow. As you can see now, I can navigate between the icons by pressing the arrow down key. But sometimes it doesn't work. So if it doesn't work for you, press this key here, right? It will open for you. It will open for you another options related to the icon, and you click on ESC and you try to navigate between the icons. Okay, sometimes it's a little bit difficult, yeah, sometimes, but okay, try again. And by the way, if you want to open the settings, or the properties about any icon, any option, just click on this key here, right? And you can navigate If you
Okay.
want to go to the options here on the taskbar, it's also simple. Okay, let's try it. So click on tab and now click on the right arrow. And now keep pressing tab, okay? And as you can see, I can navigate through the options here. Let's say I want to go to the Google Chrome. I have to go back in this case. Press Shift and Tab, and now press the right arrow key and press Enter. Okay, to close it, Alt F4. Right? So simple. If I helped you, please, I just ask you leave a comment below and to the channel, and also leave a like. Okay. The last thing I'd like to teach you is if you want to create a folder, you just have to press Control Shift and N. If it doesn't work for you, it's because some part of the system are selected. If the Windows menu is selected and I try to create a new folder by this shortcut Control Shift N, it doesn't work. What I have to do, click on ESC, okay, or click on Shift Tab and now try again. Control Shift N and now it will work. Okay, put the name, press OK, delete if you want. So that's it, folks. I really hope I helped you. I will leave other important videos here on the end screens, and I see you in the next video.